Alright, I just finished making this fun little character for eBay. Here's a short video of how he moves, and then we'll take a closer look. This guy is a ton of fun. I'm really happy with how he came out. He's extremely light. He's a sack puppet. In the video you saw his hands moving both at the same time. In order to do that, I had a second puppeteer. A lot of people just use it with one person. You'll see a lot of videos where that's been done. There's a really cool character I made in the past, and he's got a great YouTube channel, and he does it all himself. If you watch some of his videos, you'll notice when he's doing it himself and when he has another puppeteer, and I think sometimes he even does it all himself, but he composites the hands in After Effects. He's got a nice tongue too, which is carved and painted and coated in neoprene. A lot of times when puppets smile, they have to smile like this, which looks great too, and again, that will work for almost any character. One thing I just absolutely love about this guy is that he kind of has this natural smile that makes him extremely playful and lovable. Yeah. He's got these nice sturdy horns that are carved out of EVA foam and coated in creature cast. I like these eyes too. These are a new sculpt that I did, and then I made a mold and poured them out of plastic. So they're solid, they won't break or crack on you, and also you can see the paint job. I have that stippling done on there, which helps a lot with the white balance if you're using the puppetry for film. He's got some nice texture in this fur as well. He's a really great character. Another nice thing too is that he does have a lot of expression in his jaw. I wouldn't necessarily call him a loose jaw character like some of the other puppets I've made in the past, but he can get a nice big wide range of emotion on his, for moving around his jaw. We can make a lot of cool expressions, being shocked or confused. If you win, I can't wait to see what you do with them. I love seeing the life that my puppets get after they leave the shop. So if you win, make sure you keep in touch. Good luck, we'll see you next time.